Hallo Leute und willkommen zu meinem Video. Today I will show you how to speak fluent in German. Many people think fluency is very difficult, but if you follow the right steps, you can do it step by step. This video is for beginners and A1 learners who want to speak German more confidently. The first step is to learn the basic building blocks of German. Part 1. Start with greetings. Hallo, hello. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Abend, good evening. Tschüss, bye. Learn how to introduce yourself. Ich heiße Anna. My name is Anna. Ich komme aus Spanien. I come from Spain. Ich wohne in Berlin. I live in Berlin. Ich bin Studentin. I am a student. Practice saying these sentences every day. Even if you only know 10 to 20 basic phrases, you can already start small conversations. Part 2. Speak every day, even alone. Many learners think they need a partner to practice. That's not true. You can practice alone. For example, when you do something, say it in German. Ich trinke Wasser. I drink water. Ich esse Brot. I eat bread. Ich gehe zur Arbeit. I go to work. Ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. By doing this daily, you train your brain to think in German. Part 3. Vocabulary. Don't just memorize word lists. Learn vocabulary in real situations. For example, in the kitchen. Das Brot, bread. Die Milch, milk. Der Kaffee, coffee. Der Löffel, spoon. At school, der Lehrer, teacher. Die Tafel, blackboard. Das Buch, book. Der Schüler, student. Instead of learning 100 random words, learn 10 words in one situation. This is much easier and more useful. Part 4. Listen and repeat. Fluency means your mouth gets used to German sounds, so you must listen a lot and then repeat. Listen to easy podcasts, German story, German blog, children's stories, movies with subtitles. For example, if you hear, Wie geht's dir? How are you? Repeat it several times until it feels natural. Part 5. Practice conversations. Now let's practice a small dialogue. Hallo, wie heißt du? Ich heiße Max. Und du? Ich heiße Anna. Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Spanien. Und du? Ich komme aus Österreich. Practice this kind of short dialogue with a friend, teacher, or even by yourself. Part 6. Grammar is important, but don't stress. Yes, grammar is important in German, but for fluency, you don't need to know every rule perfectly at the beginning. Focus first on simple present tense. Ich gehe, I go. Du gehst, you go. Er geht, he goes. Later you can learn past tense, future tense, and cases, but start simple. Part 7. Make mistakes, don't be afraid. One big secret is, everyone makes mistakes. Even Germans make mistakes sometimes. If you say, Ich gehe zur Schule, instead of, Ich gehe zur Schule, it's not perfect, but people will understand you. So remember one thing, practice is more important than perfection. So if you want to speak fluent in German, 1. Learn basic sentences and greetings. 2. Practice speaking every day, even alone. 3. Learn vocabulary in context. 4. Listen and repeat to improve your accent. 5. Practice small conversations. 6. Don't fear mistakes. Follow these steps and your German will improve every day. Danke fürs Zuschauen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more German learning content. Bis bald, tschüss!